Hi, folks. I am Tom Tavika. On a little late this evening. Had a few extra things to do, but I'm here better late than never. Looking at your Wednesday morning lows, folks. This is a weather headline. This is historic cold in the southern parishes. Now, elsewhere in central Louisiana, not so much. All of that 15 looks like that's very close to a record here in Alexandria and Pineville. In fact, that's 1985 record. That was at the power plant. Looking to the south, though, you see single numbers in Opelousas, 6 degrees. That's at a site that I use that's in town. The airport, a little ways from there, cratered down to 2 degrees above zero. Again, that is what we're looking at as far as the low temperatures in St. Landry. It's not on the map, but Ville Platte, 2 degrees above zero. There's a station that I look at over toward Palmetto in the northeast part of St. Landry, 1 above zero. And the LSU research station there near Washington, 0 degrees this morning. All right, let's go up into Avoyelles where it was 8 above, and Marksville, Bunkie was 12. And going over into Oakdale, it was 12 degrees as well. But to the south there at Kinder, it was 8 degrees. So you get the idea what a difference that snowpack makes. And there's anywhere, much of this area that experienced these lowest temperatures were 5 or so inches of snow, especially in St. Landry, Evangeline, portions of Allen and Beauregard parishes there. So, yep, look at those temperature readings, folks. That is a cold morning here in central Louisiana. Checking out the Alexandria Tower cam, some snow still left in the shady areas here. That's the way it is at my house, but you can't really see that there. But we're seeing a little bit of high cloudiness overhead. You can see the snow still down in Stellies and LeBeau in St. Landry Parish, where it will be a bitter night again. And in Natchitoches, can't see the snow there. It's very little, less than an inch in Natchitoches, measure a few tenths of an inch there. Checking out those weather headlines for you, we've got moderating temperatures coming back into the forecast as the weather pattern begins to change. It's a kinder, gentler weather pattern. So the snow will disappear, but with the new weather pattern, as we warm up some, not going to be overly warm though, but certainly compared to what we had, it will be warmer. And then rain returns in the 7-day forecast in the not too distant future. So everything's on the move to the east right now. You can see this energy coming in the southern part of the jet stream there across Baja, Mexico, Texas, driving this modified Arctic high now to the east of us. But remember, cold air, especially as cold and dry as this air mass is very heavy, it's dense, and so it's not easy to move it. So it'll be another very cold night, a severe freeze across most of the area for us as we continue to see high pressure staying back up into the Rockies as well. And a fresh little front will kind of bleed through the area on Thursday. So your future cast, getting many folks in Cenla back to normal though. But I will say this, that no school for Beauregard, Allen, Evangeline, and St. Landry. A delayed start, I think, by an hour in Avoyelles and 2 hours in Vernon Parish. Otherwise, I think things are pretty much back to schedule there for school systems. Futurecast for your PM commute back home, no issues happening there. And then once we go into the remainder of the forecast into Friday, still cold Friday morning, so you'll need your jacket and coats, but no precip or anything like that. And one of the difficulties again in the morning, especially in our southern parishes, could be some of that freezing fog that what happened this morning. So your 7-day numbers, we've got it right here, folks, with an average low of 18 degrees. Could be as low as about 12 to 16 in those same areas that are the coldest. Otherwise, temperatures will be warmer, probably in the 20s in Natchitoches and Sabine parishes, low to mid 20s. Friday's a sunny day. A cold start though. We get 51 for a high. Next rain chance is Saturday, only 10% in the PM. Notice the moderation in temperatures there as we head into the afternoon and the morning lows. Look at that low there Sunday morning, 48 degrees. That'll be balmy compared to what we've seen. But showers and some thunderstorms coming back into the forecast there as we see temperatures warm up, get a little bit more instability and things like that. The front comes through Monday, lowers the rain chance a little bit Monday, Tuesday, but another system will be following that, and rain chances kick back up on Wednesday. And I've got some good news for you here past the 7-day. Temperature outlook for January 30th through February 5th. Above normal across a good chunk of the United States that has been frigid lately. So a complete pattern reversal there as we see a big swing in temperature readings heading into this particular regime again for January 30th through the 5th of February. All right, that's it for me, folks. Nick Mickels will be back with you in the morning, and I'll see you again during the PM. Take care, and hope you have a tremendous day for tomorrow for your Thursday.